Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great start to your week. I'm that Ed Tech guy, and it's Tech Tuesday.
Hi everyone. I know you were expecting that Ed Tech guy, but it's not him, it's me. I'm the guest host this week, and I'm going to show you how to filter your live lesson attendance. Okay, so first things first, navigate to where you pull your reports. This is how I get there. I know there's other ways. And then I like to have a report that shows their Connexus ID number, which is under by attendees. But the issue is it shows all attendees that have ever been in your live lesson. Okay, so how can we filter that? I host a Push Academy study hall every Tuesday and Thursday. So I'm going to show you how I filter for just those specific days. Okay, so from here, I go to report filters. You can see it says no filters have been set. I'm going to set one. Okay, the tricky part is these little check boxes. Every time I pick the date, forget the check boxes. Okay, you have to click those first. All right, so my study halls are on March the 9th. So I'm going to go and change this, and they're in the morning. So I want to make sure I include the time that the kids are in the live lesson. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit save. Okay, so now when I download my data, I only have people who attended on March 9th. Cool, right? I know. It's amazing. All right, now I'm going to show you a little trick. So stick around if you want a little trick with the spreadsheet. When you open up this report, the Connexus ID numbers include an email address. It says at connexus.com. Okay, well, I don't need that part. So here's a fast way to get rid of it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to insert a column, or it'll replace the text that we're getting ready to split. Like it'll replace all the names in F, which you have them again in J, so that may not matter. But anyway, I'm going to insert a column. So you just right click, insert. There's my column. Okay, now I'm going back to column E. That's where their Connexus ID is at. And I want to split it. I want to get rid of that at connexus.com. Okay, so I go to data, and then I go text to columns. I hit next. And then I want to split it at the at symbol. So I'm going to click other and type that in. All right, and then you ready for some magic? Here it goes. I hit next and then finish, and ta-da! I have all of their ID numbers right here in this column, and I'm ready. All right, hope that was helpful.
That's it for this episode of Tech Tuesday. If you have an idea for an upcoming episode, send me an email or hit me up on Twitter at that Ed Tech guy. Have a great week, everyone.